As you can see, our garbage disposal is broken. And in this video, I'll show you how to replace your garbage disposal. Step 1. Open the cabinet under the sink and take everything out. Then, make sure you unplug the garbage disposal. Step 2. You will need to disconnect the drain tailpipe and the dishwasher drain hose from the existing garbage disposal. Use a flathead screwdriver and loosen the pipe clamp on the dishwasher hose. Then use the screwdriver and remove the clamping ring on the tailpipe. Step 3. You will need to use these hooks and use a big Allen key like this or a screwdriver and turn the garbage disposal counterclockwise. Make sure you're supporting the disposal from the bottom as you will be removing the disposal and it will drop. Step 4. I got this Moen half horsepower garbage disposal on Amazon for about $100. So let's open it up and see what's inside. First comes up the sink plug. Then you have the tailpipe and the clamping ring. Then we have this manual installation guide. And then the garbage disposal itself. So you have to remove the top ring and then you need to rip this cardboard to free up the disposal. And here's what the new garbage disposal looks like. It's very nice looking and very sleek. It comes with this very nice top, but I wouldn't be using the top since I'm reusing the existing top that's already installed in my sink. However, I will take this rubber piece. Step 5. Take your new garbage disposal and a screwdriver and knock out this drain for the dishwasher. If you don't have a dishwasher connected to your garbage disposal, then you don't need to do this. After you knock it out, stick your hand inside the hole and take this plastic piece out that looks like this. Step 6. Install the garbage disposal into the existing clamp by lifting it up and spinning the ring that's on the garbage disposal. Then use the same Allen key as before and tighten it. Next, I'll be replacing the tailpipe since the existing one didn't match the hole pattern. Loosen the cap on the drain pipe and pull it off. As you can see, the old tailpipe is much shorter compared to the one provided with the new garbage disposal. I fixed it inside a vise and used the hacksaw to make it shorter. Now it's basically the same length as the old one. Next, install the gasket and the cap on the new tailpipe like this and install it back into the drain pipe. Then attach the clamping ring to the garbage disposal with the hardware that was provided. Use a Phillips head screwdriver and slowly tighten the screws little by little before tightening all the way. Next, hook up the dishwasher drain hose and tighten the hose clamp. Make sure it's nice and tight because you don't want to have any leaks. And this is what it looks like when it's installed. Next, plug it into an outlet and do a quick test run. I really like this one because it was much quieter compared to my old one. Lastly, I installed this rubber piece and one more quick test and I was done. Check out how I fixed my old dishwasher that wasn't draining next.